Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm doing a 5-part series about what you should and shouldn't do regarding your commercial property or residential property insurance claims. Now, this one, I've talked about it in a different video and kind of alluded to this point, but it's basically this. What you say will be used against you. Not can be, but will be used against you. Then all this is really pertaining to is when you call the insurance company, tell them the least as possible to get an adjuster out to your property. Because this is what happens. You guys know the movies and the TV shows, you have the right to remain silent. What you say can and will be used against you, can be used against you in the court of law. That whole deal, right? Like in the movies, we hear that over and over and over again. It's part of the Miranda rights. This is the deal though. Insurance companies record every single conversation. They don't necessarily tell you that, or they'll say it's for quality assurance purposes. All that means is they can go back and listen to that conversation, and you must be very careful what you say. When I'm on the phone or emailing the insurance companies, as we as public adjusters do, I'm very cautious of what I say and how I say it to make sure it's not misconstrued, especially via email. Context across email is hard to do because you can't express sarcasm, you can't express joking attitudes. So what comes across the other person's context in their mind is how they see it and how they perceive it. The other thing is when you're on the phone with the insurance company and you say something because it's your opinion, well, I think this happened. You think it happened, but did that actually happen? And now the insurance company is like, oh, well, that could have happened. And they said that happened. They were there. They know the insured property much better than we do, so on and so forth. And they're just taking notes and listening in on the conversation. So be very careful. I am not telling you to lie to the insurance company. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying don't convolute the process, which is already a difficult and can be tumultuous process, by your opinions. A lot of people want to sound smart and tell them, well, you know, based on the inline rotary girder, it looks like this specification. Don't do it. Just tell them, hey, we've had this issue, hail and windstorm. Okay, they might ask you some questions, answer them, but don't go beyond the question. Well, what do you think happened? Well, you know, there was a guy, he said that he spotted a UFO in the area. Well, our policy doesn't cover UFOs. Sorry, right? That's not what they're asking. What they're saying is hail and windstorm. Well, when was the storm? This date. Okay, well, what happened? Were you home? Yes. Well, it started hailing, and I would say it was like 1.5 to 2 inch hail. Okay, right? Like those answers are very succinct and to the point. Do not divert and go on a tangent and give them more information than they're asking for. If they ask for it, give it to them. If they don't ask for it, don't give it to them. Simple as that, okay? Tell the truth when you're talking to the insurance companies. Otherwise, there could be consequences in a variety of forms. But when you have a legitimate claim for legitimate property damage and the insurance company is denying that legitimate claim or underpaying your legitimate claim, contact us, because the sooner you do, the better we can help you. BellatorClaims.com. We'll see you there.